What's your definition of sex?
Well.
No way! That's just not my mom!
But that's where she pees!
It's in my head and I can't unlearn it. You're bad.
Can you show us?
I call sloppy seconds.
Well, looks like everyone else ended up with someone.
Yep. And I got this pork chop. So let me get this straight here. When you visited me in the nut house the last time, you knew about Penny already?
No, I found out about her when we visited my parents, but I had finally figured out that you were faking.
Really? How? What gave it away?
A few months ago, I was changing your diaper before bedtime, and you just seemed a little too upbeat. Lloyd, even though it's Christmas Eve, I want you to know that there's no place I would rather be than right here wiping my best friend's dookie. Oh, looks like we got another stocking stuffer.
I remember that. That was the night I had all that eggnog and lamb, right?
Yeah. Oh, Lloyd! Check out the hotties at 12 o'clock.
That's almost 3 hours away. Can I check them out now?
Okay, Lloyd. This time we're not gonna be stupid and pass up a sure thing.
I hear you, Hare. I'll never get another chance like this.
Our time has finally come.
Walking down the street and a man tries to get your business.
Bush Club!
Right thoughts, right words.